My name is Hazrat Nabi Saidi. I'm from Afghanistan, but I live in Austria. I'm 34-year-old. I was with my friend. I want to make a surgery for my hair transplant. And he say me, yeah, it is good idea, but I give you advice. If you better you go to Iran. And after them, I coming to home, I search about Iran, hair transplant and what is the better and so. And then I found AriaMedTour. Yeah, I looked the videos. The people very happy about this company. My feeling, I was before, I thought maybe this more difficult and I have a pain and something another situation, difficult situation. But after surgery, it was not like this. I think before I think very pain and I do not sleeping and another, but it's not like this. It is normal. I don't have pain. I feel good, and I'm very happy for.